everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing as well as showing you the new items. The new items that was released this season, the Spring in the City collection. So the Spring in the City collection was released yesterday, so it went live online. A lot of new items were released as well as online and in the store as well. So yesterday I got a chance to go to visit the store and take a look at and managed to take a look at some of those beautiful colors for the spring. So anyway, before I'm going to reveal what I have on this little package right here, I'm going to show you first some of the beautiful items that was released yesterday. So let's start with the Speedy Bundle Year 20. So as we guys all know, that Speedy Bundle Year 20 is actually very popular, and this one came in with two different colors. We have the khaki and beige, and also with this three lovely different colors, which is the white, a combination of white, pink, and black. Oh my gosh, when I saw this at the store, it was stunning. It is so beautiful that the color is really captivating. It actually, the pink is my favorite. Those white right there and the black, wow, the color is so vibrant. And if you are looking for a purse that has a beautiful pop of colors, then definitely this is a perfect to go. So also I managed to see the bundle that was released. And also, they also have this iconic Alma BB that is in the Miei Azure, and it has those braided strap right there. This is actually stunning in person. If you have an Alma BB, this is actually the same size as well. And another one, there is also this mini pochette accessoire. Now, the color, this collection is amazing because they are made up of leather, made up of an empreinte leather, which is the Louis Vuitton monogram pattern debossed on the leather itself, which is absolutely gorgeous. And for some reason, for the mini pochette, they only released the khaki and beige. And also they have the Never Full as well. I managed to take a video of the beige and khaki as well. This one is, wow. The debossing is absolutely amazing, guys. It is so beautiful. And I think that right now with the leather, I think if you spend your money on the leather, I think it's definitely worth your money. So this one absolutely has the gray and, the beige and the khaki color. The color for this is a little bit deceiving though. I got so confused. And also it came in with this little pouch right there. And the interior is definitely microfiber as well. Okay, so next we have this tiny backpack. The tiny backpack is actually so cute, but it's just too small for me, really. And the price it's a lot more than I thought for a little teeny tiny bag. So yeah, so those are a little peek of some of the items that were actually released last Friday. And yeah, it is so nice to see them in person though, because sometimes on the website with their stock photo, there is always been a difference with the color in person, but surprisingly, the black and white and pink color are so vibrant. Definitely an eye-catching piece and I would highly recommend if you're looking for something that has a beautiful pop of color. So anyway, now let me show you what I got. And I was at the store I have already put aside several items for this collection, but I couldn't even decide at all. I could not even decide whether I wanted to add more of particularly I was speaking about the Speedy 20 in my collection because I have quite a few in my collection. So anyway, I put in a thought into it, and I was able to see it, those beautiful lovely stuff, and made a decision right there and then. And then I finally decided to pick this one up. That's because I thought the style is just the same, but I know it's a different pattern though, and I just really wanted to get anything from this collection, anything, nothing. I mean, anything that is part of the collection. So anyway, I'll show you what I got, and it is a small leather goods. And to reveal, oh my gosh, she is stunning. I just can't get over of how beautiful this is. A card holder. I just hope that my camera is picking up the exact color, the right color. Right here, I got the card holder. Wow. So this is on the pink side, and at the back is the black and white, the bicolor. Wow. It is stunningly beautiful. And I asked her if you could actually, if you have anything at the store, because guys, I know that sometimes when you speak to USA, you could actually pre-order them, and sometimes when the item was launched and they have it at the store, they could put it aside from you. But right now, I am not doing pre-orders anymore. I won't be doing any pre-orders in the future because I have such a terrible experience with it. And wow, going back to this card holder, and look at that right there, the embossing with this beautiful monogram pattern. It is absolutely gorgeous. We have the pink right here, and the pattern is in white. Beautiful. Such a beautiful contrast with this gold stud hardware right here. We have the black, we have the gold foil stamping right here, and then we have white, and then the pink. Wow. And on top of that, the embossing seems to be pretty deep enough. You could literally feel it. Wow. It is amazing, guys. I just totally love this piece right here. I fell in love with the color. And also right here, this part right here, this one, this is a card slot. So anyway, this one has 1, 2, 3 card slots right here. So there's not much though. I guess you guys are all familiar with the card holder. This part right here has entirely covered with pink. It has a pink stitching at the corner right there. The attention of details on this beautiful piece is absolutely gorgeous. So we have pink right there, the double stitching as well. And at the back right here, we have black stitching as well. The gold stud right here. The interior, okay, this is the product information. I'm just going to show that one to you later on. The interior is actually lined with a smooth leather and grained leather as well. And then right here in the middle, it is grained. It has a texture in it. It says right here, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, in a gold foil right there. I got the made in France. And also right here, the stitching. You know, guys, I am obsessed with stitching. That's why I always point that out. And the stitching right here is black, and there is white a little bit, black, and then there's white a little bit. That's because the other side of it, it is a combination of black and white. So this one right here is white, so the stitching is white as well, right there. And then the bottom half of it, this one is black entirely, and then they put all the stitching in black as well. And the monogram pattern, it is a black and white. Wow, so pretty. I just can't get over of how beautiful it is, and the attention to details that somehow they've tried to, whatever would be the leather that's in here, they try to match the color. It is a tonal stitching right here. Wow, isn't that amazing? This is not something that, you know, they just stitch it right there. There's a lot of process to come up with this, which is I like, you know, which is I absolutely prefer. And this one, okay, this is the product code right here, the M81282, if you guys are interested. And the price for this is $460 US. Wow. I mean, I know that I have several Louis Vuitton card holders. I have a couple of them, and unfortunately, I don't have them anymore. That's because I would say they are not very practical at all, because there's only 3 card slots in there. And you know me, guys, I keep reiterating that I do not double my card slot, because I don't want to stretch them out so much. So that's the reason why. But I wasn't really thinking of buying the card holder, but when I saw this color combination, it is just like, no, I have to have it just because of that color. But having said that, the quality is pretty amazing. The glazing is great. Actually, I have already checked this at the store before I left, because they have a couple of these. I was able to make a little bit of a comparison on the other one, but this one seems to look perfect to me right here. And they also have, so currently right now I am using this card holder. So this is from Coach, and I love the color combination right here. We have blue, orange, and yellow at the back as well. Blue, orange, and yellow. And see, I have 6 cards right here, plus the one right here at the middle, which I don't really use. And if I'm going to transfer this on the other card, definitely it would fit all of these if I'm going to double it, but I would not do that. But basically this would fall into a collector's piece as well, because for that reason. Wow, it is so stunning. The color combination is amazing. And also, this one is priced as $460 US. But they have another color as well, which is the plain empreinte leather. That was around $410 US. I'm going to put that information right there. It also comes with the bicolor, which is priced at the bicolor is the black and white, and that has been released for quite some time, and that is $480 US. And I made a comparison at the store, and surprisingly, why this one is priced as $20 less than the bicolor. I don't know, for some reason they are the same size but a different print, the same pattern as well. So I don't know why, and I said maybe there is a discrepancy with the pricing. I don't even know, but all I know that she is pretty. She is stunning, beautiful. And yeah, I'm not sure. I was trying to check this one on the website. I can even see more detailed information on this piece, but you may want to reach out with your essay with this product code right here, the M81282, and it is priced as $460 at the moment. I am pretty sure. I'm not sure if this one is a limited edition piece. I think it is a limited edition piece, more likely a seasonal piece for spring. I don't think they're gonna last long. Definitely, I don't think. especially that this color combination is absolutely amazing. And I am happy with what I got in this particular collection. And it's time for me to enjoy what I have at the moment. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.